strongest winds on the west side of the valley and from Sacramento to the north, and that's where we've seen some of the biggest issues because of the wind. For more on that, let's go to KCRA3's David Bieniek, who joins us live from Yolo County in Davis. David?
Mark, good afternoon. Here in Davis, the wind caused a large branch to fall on the utility lines that run along the train tracks here in downtown Davis. That in turn caused this utility pole to start to lean and the line to sag dangerously low over 5th Street. 5th Street is closed tonight, and this is just one example of what this windstorm has done. Firefighters soaked and saturated a stack of hay that caught fire at a farm near Dixon today. Winds blowing more than 30 miles an hour threatened to send burning embers flying.
Big challenge. We're trying to be ready for other new fires to start, and now we're kind of bogged down to be here with this thing, and we're going to be here for several hours.
Workers were also wetting down a hay fire near Winters that's been burning now for nearly 2 weeks. Bike riders kept their heads down as they pedaled through the wind, leaves, and dust that were swirling around UC Davis. Do you adapt your riding style on days like this?
Go slower so you don't die.
I just kind of look out for stuff blowing around, and you know, people on their bikes who might not be used to it kind of can get a little bit dangerous to be around.
The wind knocked down this tree onto Davis's Vistosa Court, buffeted workers in downtown Sacramento, and kept their street cleaning crew hopping as they chased after blowing pieces of litter. What's the hardest part when it's windy like this?
Holding the bag open, as you can see. Getting it into the bag.
5th Street here in Davis, at least this section of it, is expected to be closed into the evening. Meanwhile, the wind has also kept power crews busy today. SMUD reports at least 50 outages so far, thousands of homes and businesses left in the dark. Fortunately, the utility says they've been able to restore power relatively quickly. Live in Davis, David Bieniek, KCRA3 News.
All right, David, thank you.